Hi everyone, it's Rosalie here, coming to you from sunny Hong Kong, and welcome to this yoga practice. This is intended for everyone, including beginners. Just make sure you're listening to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't do it. Come into a child's pose and then come back into the practice when you feel ready. And also make sure your breath is guiding your practice. Think one breath, one movement. We're going to get started right away in a child's pose. So we're going to come onto our hands and knees. Bring your knees really nice and wide, toes are together, and just walk your hands forward. So think about melting your whole body down here. Letting the whole back body soften, letting your hips sink down towards your heels. And let's just take 3 breaths here. Every exhale, can you soften a little bit more? And then let's meet in a tabletop position. So bring your hips right above your knees, the shoulders above the wrists. Spread the palms here. We're going to come into a few rounds of cat-cow. Let's take a big inhale to drop the belly and look up. Now as you exhale, press the palms into the mat, tucking in your chin, your tailbone. Inhale to look up. Exhale, really press the palms down. Let's do one more just like that. Big inhale. Exhale, press the palms down. Good, we're going to meet in a neutral spine. So really think about drawing the belly button in. Nice flat back here. We're going to keep the hips exactly where they are. All we're going to do here is walk the hands forward. So really reach out through the fingertips. And now allow the head to rest down onto the mat. Feel this nice big opening through your shoulders, your upper back. Think about melting the chest down into the mat. If you have a little bit more flexibility through your upper back, you can think about bringing your chin down. But only do this if it feels good. It feels better for me with my forehead. One more breath here. Good. And then we're going to walk the hands back. Come into a child's pose just for a moment here. Maybe a little bit of side to side. And we're going to be back in our tabletop position. Spread your fingers really nice and wide. I like to walk my hands forward just slightly here so they're not underneath my wrists. We're going to tuck the toes, press the palms into the mat, bringing the hips now up and back, coming into your down dog. It's really nice to keep your knees very bent at the beginning. See if you can bring your chest towards the top of the thighs. And then slowly here start to pedal out through the legs. So you're sending one heel down towards the mat and then the other. You're thinking about making an upside down letter V. So your hips are at the highest point. Think about long arms, long legs. So sinking the heels towards the mat. Doesn't matter if they don't touch, just have that intention. From here, let's take a big inhale. We're going to come all the way up onto the tippy toes. Exhale, heels come down. 2 more times. Big inhale to rise. Exhale down. One more nice big inhale. Exhale down. Well done. We're going to bend the knees and we're going to walk the hands back to meet our feet at the back of the mat. So keep your knees really nice and bent. Go ahead and fold your arms, grabbing opposite elbows. And it might feel nice here just to sway a little bit from side to side, maybe swaying your head from side to side as though you're saying no. Maybe forwards and backwards as though you're saying yes. You might like to start to straighten the legs if you have a little bit more opening through the back of the legs, but only if this feels good. We're going to drop our hands down, big bend through the knees. And very slowly here, notch by notch, vertebrae by vertebrae, we're going to roll all the way up. The head's the last part to come up. As it comes up, inhale, let's sweep the arms up. Exhale, draw your hands down your midline, plant the palms back down. We're going to walk it back out here into our downward dog. From here, let's take a big inhale. We're going to float the right leg up, bend the knee, and open up the hip. So think about pressing the palms into the mat. So really nice strong arms. And think about those right toes going behind you as much as they can. Good, square off the hips. And as you exhale, bring the knee in towards the nose. Look towards your hands. Drop that right foot in between your hands. So here we are in a low lunge. I want you to come high up on the fingertips, reach the crown of your head forward, and press that back heel towards the back. So maybe add a little sway here from side to side if that feels good. Now let's plant that left hand down. As you inhale, reach the right hand straight up towards the sky. So really press the left hand down. Feel that nice big opening, nice big twist. Back leg is really strong. Take another inhale here. And as you exhale, the right hand comes down. One big sweep. Can you bring the arms up? Coming into your high lunge here. So think about bringing your hips down as much as feels good for you. You don't have to be as low as I am. You can come up a little bit higher. But if you can, come nice and high, but really have a strong back leg. Push the heel away. Really nice. Can you reach the arms back? One more big inhale. And as you exhale, fingertips come down. Now inhale, we're going to straighten that front leg. I like to bring my back leg in just a little bit. Inhale to look up. Exhale, forward fold over the right leg. We're going to move with the breath. Inhale to look up. Exhale to fold. One more time, big inhale. So really nice flat back. Exhale, fold over the right leg. We're going to stay here for a couple of breaths. Every exhale, can you fold just a little bit more? If your front leg, the right leg's a little bit tight today, maybe put a little bend through the knee. You can always have something on your hands, underneath your hands, beside your foot. Good. We're going to be back in this low lunge. Plant the palms. Now really draw the belly in towards the spine and see if you can reach now that right leg behind you. So you're in a three-legged plank. Draw the belly button in. We're going to take a big inhale. Now as you exhale, bring all the weight onto the left hand. Stack your feet. Reach the right hand up towards the sky. Think about bringing that right hip up towards the sky as well. So here we are in a side plank. Take a big inhale. Well done. As you exhale, right hand comes down. Drop the knees and bring the chest really slowly all the way down, keeping those elbows tucked. We're going to roll the shoulders back, peel the chest up. And exhale, forehead comes down, tuck the toes. Press it right back into your down dog. Take a moment here to do whatever feels good. Maybe pedaling out the legs. Make sure you're still connected to the breath. When you're ready, big inhale, we're going to float that left leg up. Bend the knee now and open up the hip. So think about letting that left foot come behind you as much as you can, but keep pressing your two hands into the mat. Some nice strong arms. Good. One more breath. Good. Exhale, square off the hips. Bring that left knee in towards the nose. Look at the hands. Can you drop that left foot in between the hands, coming into our low lunge? Once again, make sure that left knee stacked above the ankle. We're gonna come high up on our fingertips. Push the back heel away. Nice strong back leg. Little sway here from side to side. And then we're gonna meet in our lunge twist. Plant the right hand down. Big inhale. Can you reach the left hand up towards the sky? Nice strong back leg here. Feel that whole body opening up. One more inhale here. Exhale, the left hand comes down. Strong back leg. Can you reach the arms up, coming into a high lunge? Sinking down as much as you can. Really enjoy feeling how strong you are here in this pose. One more big inhale. Exhale, hands come down. Inhale, we're gonna straighten that front leg. You might like to bring your back foot in just a little bit. And as you exhale, forward fold over your left leg. Inhale to look up. Exhale to fold. One more big inhale, so nice flat back. Exhale, fold over your left leg. Good. Always like that little sway here from side to side. So I know I'm keeping things nice and soft and relaxed, not forcing or pushing anything to happen. Good. We're gonna meet back in our low lunge. Now we're gonna plant the palms and really draw that belly button in towards the spine. Whoop, as you reach the left leg out behind you. Well done. Now we're gonna bring all the weight onto the right hand. Swivel on the outside edge of the right foot as you reach that left arm up. Think about bringing the left hip bone up towards the sky. Really feel your strength here. Enjoy it. One more breath. Well done. Exhale, the left hand comes down. So nice strong plank here. Reach the crown of your head forward, heels towards the back. Long line of energy from the top of your head all the way towards your heels. Inhale it here. Now as you exhale, come onto the toes. Bend the elbows, keep them by your side, and very slowly bring yourself all the way down. Well done. Forehead comes down. Bring your fingertips out towards the sides. You're making little tens with your fingers. I want you to roll the shoulders back and peel the chest up. Really push your hips and the tops of your feet into the mat. Exhale down. And again, inhale, peel the chest up. Exhale down. Inhale, peel the chest up. Can you look over your right shoulder? Inhale to center. Exhale down. One more. Inhale, peeling the chest up. Exhale, look over your left shoulder. Inhale to center. Exhale all the way down. Well done. Hands come flat on the mat. Push yourself back now into your child's pose. Letting everything soften down, melting it back down. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you still have time, try out this short meditation. It's such a lovely way to finish off your practice. Stay healthy, stay well everyone, and see you again next time. Bye.